an invaluable bond that has been nurtured by successive generations of leadership and people of our two countries. Our time-tested ties have remained unaffected by vicissitudes of time. In Pakistan, we have a complete consensus across political spectrum about the criticality of Pakistan-China friendship for the progress and prosperity of our two countries that has been nurtured for the regional peace and development. We view our ties with China from a strategic long-term perspective. In the ever-changing global landscape, China-Pakistan friendship is a constant and would always remain so. Building upon the success of our political ties, our two countries have now placed special focus on our economic partnership manifested in CPEC. Distinguished guests, CPEC is a true example of BRI's stated objectives. It has helped us upgrade our transport and communication network, address energy shortages, and develop Gwadar Port in the province of Balochistan. CPEC projects have not only stimulated economic growth, but have also improved the lives and livelihood of our citizens and enhanced regional connectivity. And here, I would refer to the speech by President Xi Jinping during his visit to Xinjiang last year about making Xinjiang the frontier of Belt and Road connectivity. This announcement by President Xi was a recognition of Xinjiang's historical role as a hub of connectivity as part of the ancient Silk Road. My visit to Xinjiang on the occasion of 10th anniversary of BRI therefore is happening at an important juncture. It represents a profound milestone in the enduring friendship between Pakistan and China and the people of our two great nations. My visit signifies our commitment to promoting connectivity of BRI, not just in terms of infrastructure, but also in terms of human connections. Distinguished guests, my visit is essentially about charting a new roadmap and envisioning a new future based on economic synergy and greater connectivity, people-to-people bonds, sustainable development, peace and stability.